In this video you'll discover exactly how to cancel car insurance in writing. But first, here's our little trick to get you cheap car insurance. We use this free service. At 1-855-981-7528. Once you call them, they'll perform the tedious task of shopping around and provide you with the best quote for your location. Here, we're going to tackle a topic that many of you have asked about: how to cancel your car insurance in writing. Whether you're switching providers or no longer need coverage, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1: Understanding the importance of written cancellation. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why it's crucial to cancel your car insurance in writing. Verbal cancellations might lead to misunderstandings, so having a written record ensures a clear and documented process. Segment 2: Check your policy details. Step 1: Pull out your car insurance policy and review it. Look for information on cancellation procedures, notice periods, and any potential fees. Understanding these details will help you avoid any surprises during the cancellation process. Segment 3: Preparing your cancellation letter. Step 2: It's time to draft your cancellation letter. You can use a word processor or simply write it out by hand. Make sure your letter includes your policy number, the effective date of cancellation, your reason for canceling, and your contact information. Segment 4: Keeping it professional. When writing your letter, keep it professional and concise. Avoid emotional language and focus on the facts. Here's an example of how your letter could look. Subject: Policy cancellation for policy number. Your policy number. Dear insurance company name, I am writing to request the cancellation of my car insurance policy with policy number. Your policy number. I would like the cancellation to be effective on desired cancellation date. The reason for this cancellation is. Briefly explain your reason. Please send me written confirmation of this cancellation, along with any necessary documents regarding the refund of any unused premium. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. Sincerely. Your signature and your name. Segment 5: Sending your cancellation letter. Step 3: It's time to send your cancellation letter. You have a few options here. You can send it via certified mail with a return receipt, fax it, or even send it through email if your insurance company accepts digital communication. Make sure to keep a copy of the letter for your records. Segment 6: Following up. Step 4: Give your insurance company a reasonable amount of time to process your cancellation request. If you don't receive a confirmation or refund within a few weeks, don't hesitate to follow up with a polite phone call or email to ensure everything is on track. Segment 7: Confirming cancellation. Finally, once you receive written confirmation of your cancellation, review it to make sure all the details are accurate. If there are any discrepancies, contact your insurance company immediately to resolve them. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, a guide on how to cancel your car insurance in writing. Remember, while the process may vary slightly between insurance companies, these steps should give you a solid foundation to work from. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.